Tessa, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I created these dreadlock hair attachments to make your hair appear thicker and longer. So if you want to know how I do it, then keep on watching. So by dread attachments I mean single-ended synthetic dreadlocks that you can attach to your hair using a simple loop or a braid and then pull it in place and you've got some attachments. So I've been wearing these in my hair lately. I have these beautiful double-ended dreadlocks from To Dreads, and I also made some pretty hair wraps, and then these ones are the single-ended dreads that I made last time in the tutorial. Got a nice collection going on. I love the colour scheme. Lots of purples and blues. Using this pretty colour, Northern Lights, and then I have a good few of them to put into my hair. So I've backcombed these ones and I've crocheted this one already, so I have these ones left to do. Once I have a nice load of those, then we're going to crochet them and then seal them with the steamer. So all I've been using so far to make the dreads is the knit comb and a crochet hook at 0.75mm. So let's get to work on finished crocheting these ones. It's gonna look so cute. I love this hair wrap that I made. It's always at this time of the day that the lighting, because the sun goes down, so I have to put the curtain across because it's just blinding. Oh! The baby sushi is enjoying the sunshine. Baby. Okay, so I've separated the hair and put it into piles. These colours on this is so pretty. Right, so I finished backcombing all of the sections of Kanekalon Hair. So we've got all these fluffy dreadlocks. So the next process is to crochet the dreadlock like this one. So we tuck all those little fluffy hairs inside the dread. And then the next step will be to steam it. Right, so the next process is to steam these dreadlocks to help them keep their shape. Now I've filled up the steamer with the water. I'm going to plug this in and we're going to get it to heat up. So once it's ready, the light will turn off and then we're going to steam the dreadlocks. Okay, so I've plugged the steamer in. I'm just going to wait for the light to turn off and then I know it's ready. I can't wait to decorate them and put some pretty beads on them. So let's get steaming. So before I attach the hair wraps and the single-ended dreadlocks to my hair, I want to make sure that I've done all of my root maintenance to my dreads so there isn't any loose hair at the top. So I literally just give the dreadlock a twist and then crochet the roots. So I've almost finished crocheting my roots. I just got a couple left to do. So that's the maintenance done. Okay, so I'm going to start by attaching the hair wrap. So all I do to attach the little hair wraps, so I just thread the braid into itself like this, so it goes through the little loop at the top. So I'm going to continue adding the dreadlocks and another hair wrap to my hair, and we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. So the fact that I've made these dreadlock extensions double the length, so by the time I've attached these to my existing dreads, it's going to make them appear twice as long and thick. I just love how it creates extra thickness to the dreadlocks, because I've been dealing with dreadlock shrinkage after having these dreadlocks for quite a while. They shrink a lot. Also, my loose hair was starting to get longer than my dreadlocks, so now I've added the dreadlock attachments. It's longer than my hair now, and you can see them more. There's so many textures going on, so many different colours, so pretty. It's a lot easier having these than having like a full head of dreads, because having a full head is pretty bulky, but I am in love with them. And the good thing about these is that you can make them in any colour you want. So if you just want to add a little splash of colour into your hair and you don't want the full commitment of bleaching and dyeing, then I would definitely recommend making some dreadlock extensions with Kanekalon Hair. It's just super easy to do, especially if you have some free time on a weekend and you don't know what to do with yourself and you want to get in a crafty mood. All weekend I was making dreadlock extensions and I was making the hair wraps for myself, and I love this hair wrap so much. It came out super pretty. So one of you guys was asking, how do I make these hair wraps? I will eventually make a tutorial for you. If you go on YouTube, search how to do a friendship bracelet, it will show you all these different types of plaits and knots that you can do, and then I literally just did it around some wool with coloured thread. You guys can get experimental and make up your own hair wraps, but it is super easy to do. So I haven't been more happy with my hair in a long time. It's taken me a couple years to get in that vibe of having the perfect hair in my mind. So now I've got partial dreadlocks. My natural dreads, they have shrunk quite a lot, so now you can see the comparison between the ones that we made and my natural dreads. It really does make a difference just adding a few pieces and attach them onto your existing dreadlocks. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I'll see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys.